Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Harley Bank features most people don't use. So let's quickly dive into it. Many Harley Bank users stick to basic savings and checking, but two powerful features often go unused. First, the bucket features let you split your savings into multiple goals like vacation or emergency fund, making it easier to track progress and stay motivated. Secondly, Harley debit card control and ATM fee reimbursement are underused. You can turn your card on or off, set limits, get spending alert, and access to thousands of free ATM nationwide. These features gives more control and flexibility, yet most people overlook them. So if this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance tips, and comment which features you do use first. And that's it.